Hey guys, here's a quick little project I wanted to share with you. Nothing major in terms of the restoration work, but still a neat little bike. I had done some work on this bike about two and a half years ago. Balanced the carbs, did a few other things, took care of the intake system and whatnot. Came back this year in order to get the engine painted because it was pretty well gone as far as the paint was concerned. Everything was chipped off the side covers and whatnot, just looked ugly. So unfortunately, once the top end was torn off, the cylinders were completely scored, and it's one of those things, well, it's a part, you might as well take care of the issue. So a fresh set of cylinders with a first overbore, new pistons, rings, all that good stuff, and now it's all back together. But anyway, like I said, I just wanted to show the updated engine as it's all nice and shiny. New decals on the side. That's the hardest part, getting these decals to line up, especially this round one. Getting it to look even close to centered, that's the hardest part of this whole project. But the only other major issue I had to deal with was this bolt here. At some point along its life, someone had stripped out the actual case, so they had kind of jammed in a different nut in there. I'm sorry, a different screw, which didn't fit right. It was kind of just a band-aid, so I had to re-tap that with an M8, and couldn't find a next size up, which would have been an EB7, and I couldn't find a bolt, but I had to go up to M8, and that's what it is. So those with a keen eye will probably notice that that head's bigger than the others, but you know, sometimes you got to do what you got to do. So anyway, other than the engine, everything on this bike is pretty much original. It's a 74. I did do some small soda blasting on certain parts to get rid of some of the rust. I mean, it's not too bad. It's got its share of dents and dings and scratches, but it's a good rider. And this particular owner doesn't necessarily like to have things that look pristine, so this should fit his bill. This bike has the stock exhaust system, but the baffles are removed, and this thing is loud as hell. It's quite angry. So I can just give it a quick fire. I ran it a little bit ago, so it should start right up. Like I said, it barks, but it's a fun bike, and who knows what the next phase will be on this one. But if there's anything fun, I will certainly shoot another video or pictures or whatever. This is one of those deals where now that we've addressed the engine and that thing looks so nice, everything that doesn't look so nice will start to stand out. So you know, I'm sure if we address things like the seat, which is really bad, trying to think what else, the fork gears are really bad, even just some airbrushing on this frame would really make this thing look a lot better. So anyway, like I said, just wanted to show a quick video, simple top end rebuild on an RD350, and stay tuned. I got some more fun stuff coming up. I got a 78 Honda 125 El Signore. So I got this thing running yesterday. It's been, or had been, sitting for, oh, let's see, the guy said he was 16, and he was, geez, I forget how old he said he was, but I think he was in his 40s at least. So it's been around for quite a while, just doing nothing, and it once I cleaned the carb, it fired up. So anyway, stay tuned for that, and I will talk to you later.